Hello everyone, my name is Rita and I am Product Manager with Advantech. Today I would like to introduce our medical DMS service for next generation medical equipment. With more than 20 years experience, Advantech Medical DMS service offers the latest innovation technology with dedicated design team to provide a global service to our medical customers. From both to system product and from product concept to system verification, we can help our medical customer grow with their medical products. No matter whether it's for the traditional X-ray and ultrasound machine or specialty application in dentistry or ophthalmology, we can offer medical device support with everything from computing PC systems to panel PCs and tablets. Advantech provides the latest technology and global design manufacturing service to support our medical customer growth in medical field. Looking forward to the next generation of medical applications, ongoing advancement in medical science show that general purpose medical diagnosis and treatment are gradually evolved toward precision medicine and personalized medical service. In this presentation, we will introduce how we can assist in development next generation medical application by considering the direction medical equipment development is heading. Regarding upcoming trend in next generation medical equipment, we can foresee 4 applications that will be our focus. First is precision medicine, which use genetic analysis or molecular diagnostic technology to improve the accuracy of treatment effects. To fulfill the diagnostic and treatment demand in this field, the design required of IVDS and DNA analyzer equipment will become more advanced in coming years. Second is surgical robots, which is becoming increasingly prevalent to help overcome the limitations of pre-existing minimally invasive surgery procedure and to enhance the capability of surgeon performing open surgery. The main equipment will be robotically assisted systems and 3D navigation systems, which can be used with CT to assist surgeon during surgery. Third is specialist diagnosis, which differs from general medical diagnosis or traditional radiological diagnosis such as CT and X-ray. The increased development of specialized medical equipment in specialist medicine will provide more accurate information to support doctors with accurate diagnosis and treatment, such as intraoral scanner for dentistry and ocular ultrasound for eye surgery. The final one is telemedicine, which refers to the long-distance transmission of high-resolution image for remote diagnosis and monitoring. We see these 4 trends as the direction that further development in medical equipment will head. From those 4 medical trends, we can consolidate the demand and challenge for next generation medical equipment. First is super high performance system, which refers to server-grade systems with multi-platform integration for accelerate or multi-display functionality in the application of DNA analyzer and 3D navigation surgery systems. Second, applications such as specialty medicine require computing PC box and all-in-one PC to be slimmer and more silent for them to be suitable for outpatient or clinic use. For example, 3D model screening equipment in dentistry or computing and control platform in ophthalmic surgery require efficient, miniaturized, and low-noise medical equipment for doctors to perform diagnosis. Third, for the upcoming 5G applications, telemedicine will become more common as remote diagnosis and monitoring capability continue to improve. Key point for this will be real-time interaction and adequate data transmission bandwidth with high-resolution videos. Finally, medical products also need long product life support. How to efficiently manage a product to extend their life cycle to more than 50 years will be also a main topic in this presentation. With decades of design and integration experience in multi-platform integration, our team not only offers ARM and x86 computing solutions, but we can also integrate with Xilinx or Intel Area FPGAs or NVIDIA Jetson for acceleration or image rendering and video broadcasting. Our LAN USB COM port isolation design and experience in selecting medical-grade components that comply with medical regulation also demonstrate how we can add value by providing a one-stop shopping service for next-generation medical equipment. As an example, we do more than simply provide computing platform for ultrasound applications. We can also leverage multi-platform design for front-end image fusion and image processing, as well as the back-end video integration and broadcasting. Combined with medical-grade features, we can provide multi-use devices in one system for next-generation medical applications. To meet the needs for next-generation medical equipment, Advantech has proposed the MEB C100. The MEB C100 is a slim, silent, and expandable server-grade medical PC equipped with an MXN GPU for image analysis application. The MEB C100 delivers high-performance computing and data processing with minimal noise. They eliminate potential distraction while also ensure easy deployment in a range of environments. The suitability and the benefit of the MEB C100 for certain applications are clear. In ophthalmology, doctors need to concentrate without being disturbed during surgery. In dentistry, consultation requires a quiet environment for dentists to be able to discuss treatment with their patients. In CT MRI control room, image analysis workspace need to be highly organized and clear of clutter. The MEB C100 is an ultra-quiet, high-performance system suitable for diversified clinic medical applications. Not only is the MEB C100 powerful, but it also has a stylish ideal look and is an optimized thermal solution that balances power consumption and performance to maximize our user benefit. In addition, our range of computing devices has been designed with flexible mounting options, can simplify your work environment, and to fulfill various user scenario requirements. In medical device design, product lifecycle support is an important consideration. Advantech has a smart lifecycle management process we call Smart LCM control flow. It includes everything from the product design phase through to the product end of life. For this, we provide material screening in the design phase and ensure bone health. We also perform regular material review and end-of-life product change notice screening to share first-hand material information with our customer in order to maintain transparency. We consider customer rolling forecast planning and order fulfillment to set milestones for stage change with end-of-life components. And we continue tracking and reviewing ways to extend the product life cycle in a way that reduces recertification costs. Because of those solid management processes, we guarantee a product life cycle of more than 50 years, ensuring material availability to support medical customers to reduce recertification frequency and thus reduce total cost of ownership. Based on more than 20 years of design experience, Advantech can provide multitasking processing platform that integrate high-host hardware performance with special GPU, FPGA, or ASIC integration to achieve the accelerated medical image processing and AI application in one smart system. To satisfy clinic diagnosis, we provide a ready turnkey solution, the MEB C100. A PC box solution with slim and silent design, as well as superior performance features. Equipped with an MXM GPU module, the system is perfect for specialized medical applications. Finally, by extending the product life cycle to more than 50 years, we can assist our customer with achieve long life management and reduce total cost of ownership with our strategic smart process. With various platform integration service, ready product solution and MEB C100, and 50 years product longevity support, Advantech Medical DMS will provide you one-stop shopping service and cooperate with you to welcome the next generation medical equipment.